now, so it's about time off.
So mag-bagrade ta sa kinadato ang maestra diri sa MNHS.
Okay, since wala naman tayong gagawin, tayo ay mangungukay ng ating basket.
Hinlo kay bag.
Dako,
Arrange
balin.
kayo. Okay, so unsay kinahanglan diha?
Sige, so, okay ra ba ko now? Wait lang.
Di na ba dyan na edit ton? Kay kapoy kayo.
Zero. Okay, here's the first item. My dated issued tablet.
Charot.
Mm. What else?
I-arrange
Of
pod.
course, my 2023 planner. Yeah, it's all, you know. Diba?
Chars.
Of course, my pencil bag.
So daming pencils dira, ma'am.
I mean ball pen bag. And I like to have a lot of colors for my journal writing. So blue, violet, name it, I have it.
Char. Hala soon.
And yes, my
So na siya.
sunglasses because it's very hot. So at least man lang makatabang sa kapugong sa init ang imuhang sunglasses.
Okay.
Fake it till you make it. And
Mayo naman di ka kayo mag-vloggeries, madi eh.
okay, so this one, wet wipes.
Okay.
It saved me last weekend
Okay.
from bathroom emergency. Scrunchy. So what else? Alcohol. My coin purse.
Pilay
made
sod,
of
pilay sod.
leather. Okay, I have 4 100 bills and
Nagana jud kwarta ni
150.
maestra, eh.
Some coins and some jeepney receipt. So this is given by my husband. Of course. And another wallet. It has no cash in it. It's just some of my IDs, cards. I think I have some coins here and some papers. Okay.
Char, mag-vloggeries na lang yan.
So, first of one of my makeup bag.
Ayun, pang kaugalingang bago, di ang grade.
Yeah. Essential oil for people in mid-30s.
Ano sa na siya?
It's lavender scent to help you,
Come and relax.
yeah, relax and, you know,
Sa ulo.
yeah, swipe away your...
Yeah, halang.
No, just the smell. It's like, it's aromatherapy.
Okay.
There's
Murag
no
makakabuhi
menthol.
man madi.
Yeah, and ang laman nito ay,
Lipstick.
no, it's hydrating, Insta-Cool hydrating stick. I have this in two because one for my lips and one for my face. So that it will not be used interchangeably.
Sumna siya nga kuan.
From Shiglam.
Shigwang.
So for the lips, it's only for my lips. And
Yung ano,
not
kahit
on
minsan
my-
na mo pagkaibaw nga for lips na.
Of course, I have here lips.
Gibot ang daan og lips. Kabi ko
From
imong gikuyo.
Shein. I got this as freebie.
Shein woman man ni siya, guys.
I have my mask. Oh, I have lately, actually, di man ako ganan og mga loose powder, but when I saw this, Pond's tone up milk powder, and it makes my skin basta
Fresh.
good mo. No more. Thank you for
Okay, thank you for watching our bag raid. with herself. Iya harap pong kaugalingong bag iyang gi-bag raid. So, mo to. Bye!